When centralized panels pay HQ for the centralized invoices, HQ then pays the connected clinics/branches. To manage these payments, go to the Reports page. To issue payment to the branch, click Issue Payment. Select the branch under Clinic. Once the branch is selected, the central invoices containing visits from this clinics will be listed here. Select the invoice which the payment is being made. When the invoice is selected, this clinic's visits that are in the selected invoice will be listed. These are the visits that were imported into HQ's central invoice. To record a payment from HQ to this branch, specify the date of payment. The amount will be automatically filled when visits are selected. Select the mode of payment here. Select the visits that are paid for. Note the amount is automatically filled here. If the HQ is deducting some payment as the admin fee, the quantum can be prefixed. Deducting 5% as admin fee. To manage the admin fee by HQ, go to the admin page. Click Details. Scroll down and click Add/Edit Clinic Branch. Search and select the branch here. Admin fee, % for centralized invoices can be specified here. Back to the payment page. After the payment details have been specified, click Record to save this payment. The payments made in the summary can be viewed via Extended Clinics Payments. The invoices are grouped by clinics. These are the amount to be paid to the clinic for the respective invoices. If admin fee is saved, the admin fee will be indicated in the brackets here. These are the amount paid to date. These are the balances after payments are made. These are the actual amount received from the panel. Click the saved payments to see more details. If editing is necessary, delete this payment by clicking Delete and re-enter this payment. Click Print for the payment advice. That's it. You're done.